Are you ready, girls and boys? Good, good. May we have your attention, please? We will now begin our safety demonstration. The seatbelts defasten like this, tighten like this, and open like this. In an emergency situation should occur, you will need to follow the additional information. The aircraft has 8 emergency exits, 2 at the front, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the rear of the cabin. All the exits are marked with red and white exit signs. Please notice the exits close to you. It can be behind. If the pressure in the cabin should fall, should an evacuation become necessary, lights along the floor will guide you to the next exit.
It's too many languages now.
Now is the oxygen masks. If the pressure in the cabin should fall, oxygen mask will automatically appear. Immediately pull the mask towards your face. Take off your mask shield and place the yellow mask over nose and mouth and breathe calmly. If you are seated next to a child or other person who may have difficulties in donning the mask, it's important that you take your own mask on and before you help them. And do not remove the mask until you're told to do so. Under every seat you will find a life vest, which is used in the following manner. Open the bag by pulling the tape. Pull the vest over your head. Fasten the belt in front of you and tighten the strap. When in water, the battery will activate the light on the vest. There is also a whistle. When leaving through the exit, pull the red tag to inflate the vest. And the vest can also be inflated by blowing into the mouthpiece. Please observe that the crew will wear a red life vest. Please familiarize yourself with emergency procedures by reading the safety onboard card found in the seat pocket in front of you. Would you please ensure that all hand luggage is stored either in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you, and that your seat backs and tables are locked in the upright position. Please make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. For safety reasons, we recommend that you keep it fastened whenever seated. And personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, may be used on board if the flight safe or airplane mode is selected. Larger electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed in your hand luggage during takeoff and landing. Electronic devices must not be connected to a seat charging point during takeoff and landing. And the cabin crew will now complete a final cabin check before takeoff. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask any of the cabin crew. We are here to help you. Thank you for your attention and have a nice flight. Ja, alla goa göteborgare, kontrollera att säkerhetsbältet är ordentligt fastspänt. Stolsryggen ska vara upprätt, armstöden ska vara nedfällda mellan er och ut mot gång. Handbagaget väl inskjutet in under stolen framför eller uppe i hatthyllan. Och laddningsuttagen som ni har, de får inte användas under start och landning. Har ni några frågor sen under resan så är det bara att fråga oss här i kabinpersonalen så ska vi hjälpa er till detta. Vi önskar er alla en riktigt trevlig flygresa hemåt.
Katsokaa nyt, että turvet on kunnolla kiinni, pöydät ja ikkunat laitet on ylhäällä. Jos se lataatte jotakin, niin ottakaa ne latarista pois nyt kun lähetään. Sitten voi latata uudestaan, kun päässään ylös. Ja oikein hyvä matka Helsinki. Kiitos.
Har du ljugit och sagt något?
Nej, inget speciellt. Inget som du behöver veta i varje fall.
Hirvaa.